Hello, we will now show you some easy steps to set up your Medisoft for transmission of claims to Transworld. So we're going to start by going into List and then Patient, Guarantors, and Cases, and it will then pull up this window for you. There's three things that we're going to indicate in our patient. We're going to select Dwight again, which is tutorial data. And we're going to go to the Other Information tab. We'll just let this refresh. The Other Information tab. And in the Other Information tab, under Patient Billing Code, we're going to right-click, and you're going to need to create a new billing code. So the new billing code, we will call it TT. And then the description will be Transworld. And what you would do after that is actually save it. So once you save it, then it will actually become an option in your patient billing code list, as we have here. The next thing that's going to be very important is to use the patient indicator field. Now, what I would suggest is to use the date that you will be submitting your claims. So we'll use, for example, in this instance, 09/15/2016. So use the whole 8 characters, 2 digits for the month, 2 digits for the day, and 4 digits for the year. No spaces or punctuation. The next thing that will be important for you to do is to flag the patients. This is not required, it's optional, but I think it's important to have a visual so when you're looking at your accounts, you will automatically see by means of a color what patients have been referred to Transworld. Now, to set that up, you need to go to File and then Program Options. And for this, you need to be a level 1. You go to color coding, and then you select a color that you would like to use to indicate patients that have been sent to Transworld. I like using the color red, so I'm going to indicate that here, and then we'll go in and save it. And then what will happen is it will now become an option on our listing. Now, what you may need to do is save it because it may need to be refreshed. So you can go on and save it. And then you can go back in to that same patient because, again, the database may need to be updated to indicate the correct color. And then when you go to Other Information, the flag, you will be able to select it. Beautiful. Excellent. So you can see now that patient Dwight again is indicated as red, which shows that he is in collection. And then the other 2 critical things that is important for us so that the reports can be generated is in Other Information. We use the patient billing code TT, and we use the patient indicator, the 8-character date, which in this case is 09/15/2016. Now we are ready to submit to Transworld. Thanks for contacting us and for viewing our video at precisionhcc.com.